Hello, I'm Justin Overland, Service Consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. Today I want to announce an exciting new service offered by Lichtsinn RV. Water damage can take a long time to present itself, and by the time it does, it's sometimes too late. The Seal Tech machine finds air and water leaks. We consider this machine to be a great addition to our service department, to find leaks that our guests know about, and great for preventive maintenance to find leaks guests don't know about. The system draws outside air into the RV through a roof vent where it is dispersed, creating positive pressure in the RV. The pressure difference causes air to flow outward through any outer trim, seals, vents, windows, and faults. Once a technician has the machine hooked up and running, he'll double check to ensure that all vents, windows, compartments, etc. are closed. He'll then spray a soapy solution on and around the suspect area. With positive pressure built up in the RV, all air leaks seem to become visible by showing bubbles at the location of the leak. Here is an obvious leak by a door awning. If air can get out, water can get in. This test has enabled us to pinpoint the leak even if the source of the water is several feet from the entry point. We offer two different services with our Seal Tech system: a complete coach test and a test for a known area of concern. Call today to set up your Seal Tech test at Lichtsinn RV.